So I came out front instead because you can see the wind. It's just teeming. And the back is just a little scary because the door just got blown. So, and I'm under the porch, hoping not to get, watching the lightning, but hail should start soon. This is a big storm. Biggest we've seen yet. It's a whole storm front coming over from Denton. See if I can get you guys a picture. The sky. It's nasty. You can get an idea from the tree across the street. I'll pull it back a little. So, pretty strong. Anyway, Lord, help us.